Yes, so what's up, Yala beautiful people? Today I am super excited. I am so much excited because for the first time I am going to take the first train here in China. Yeah, so please stay tuned and keep watching till the end, you know. So I am now here at the Harbin railway station. Yes. Brother, how are you?
Hey.
How are you, brother? How are you, brother? How are you, brother? Are you excited about this trip?
Yeah.
Very much, brother. See you to Beijing.
Hello, sir. How are you?
你好吗？
你好，你好。
你没事吧？你没事吧？你吃了吗？
啊，没事没事没事。
你晚点在那啥子呢？
你好。
Yeah, so the excitement, the best part of the journey has just begun. Yeah, we're climbing this elevator. We're going to this elevator and wow, up there and yeah, it's just an excitement. Yeah, okay, we are passing this one. We are looking forward to another one. Trying to be a gentleman. Yeah, you know, this is going to be a very long journey, so make sure you strategize here. You strategize here. Okay, but yeah, joke aside, we have to laugh. Live large, laugh, live large. So niko na wanangu hapa, we are ready in and about to take this journey after Moment. This is Moment.
This is our lady, our special lady. The lady of the moment.
The lady of the moment. Yeah. You excited about this trip? Very excited. Where's Zombie?
I'm looking forward, and she knows what I'm looking forward.
God, yes, yes, guys, we are back in here. I am with my brother from another mother. He is very known as you're from Nigeria. Okay, I'm with my brother here, Jamal. Are you so excited with this trip? Very much excited. 是中国什么意思？不知道，没问，这是没问吗？我看见什么？答。How are you? How are you? How are you? 大家好，大家好。Life is good. So how do you guys pay? How do you guys pay this? By scanning with
We scan by WeChat.
WeChat?
Yes. Then this code can recognize what is in our system so that we can pay according to the month.
And how much does it cost?
Actually, I'm waiting for information.
For information?
Yes, I'm still waiting.
Or is it free? It is right? So it's not functioning until it's done with the... Brother, you have a very good experience with these things. So you scan it and how much do you pay? Is it free? Oh, that's cool. Sounds like yeah, it's kind of. 回家去。Is waiting?
I think it's not. I think it's here. Go back.
This is what we call a history in the making. Behind me, this is the CRH. So, as a matter of fact, CRH is the third fastest train in the world, which goes with a speed of about 300. Yes, Trump.
Harbin. Welcome to take the EMU train of China Railway Harbin Bureau Group Co. Limited. Smoking is strictly prohibited in the whole train. The next station is Dehuixi Station.
Yes, brother. We are.
Yeah, so as a matter of fact, the train has just started moving. Yes. One thing that I can say about this is how fast it is. You know, I mean, like our ticket was saying at exactly 10:56 it will start the journey, and yes, you already know where you're going to sit and stuff. But yes, right in a minute when everyone has just boarded, the train has just started moving, and yes, we are heading to 1,000 mile field right now. Yes, I'm just hoping to see. Mulibwanji. Tilibuino. Đây sợ làng. be presenting something.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So after 6 hours of traveling from Harbin railway station, we are right now here at the Beijing Chaoyang railway station. Yes, it was quite a very good experience of having this the high-speed train. You know, the CRH. I told you in the beginning that this is one of the fastest train right now here in planet Earth. Yeah, so. Drop down the comment. Let me know what do you think about this trip. I'll be more than happy to answer every question of yours. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be the first one to get the updates about this ongoing trip in Beijing. Thank you guys. Ciao, Bell.
And